Hi everyone, if you're looking for a great backup camera for your vehicle that is wireless, you need to check out the VEKOOTO. It has a 7-inch monitor and then it comes with a window mount. Now the window mount itself is also telescoping, so if you need to adjust that, you can do that there. And it also, you can change the angle of it on your glass. Then on the actual suction cup, then it also has a lever on it which will suction that to your glass on your window. And I want to talk about the camera itself. The camera has very good resolution. It is also solar powered to keep it maintained, and it has a external antenna as well. And then on the back of it you have the actual magnetic pad. Now this pad is fairly thick. As far as other ones I've had, they haven't been this thick. It's more of a foam cushion pad, so that'll help protect your rear tailgate or the back door on your SUV or your bumper and keep that from scratching. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in just for demonstration, and then we'll take it out to the truck and we'll actually back up and hook up a trailer. All right, so I'm going to remove the film here. You can see that the camera puts off a very quality picture to it, and very impressed with that. And the monitor is very nice as well. It's all in color. And if you want to get to the menu, just tap the screen and you can actually see our camera right here, and you can do all your adjustments through that. So that'll time out after a certain amount of time. You can just go to the menu and go backwards. The menu is the house signal right here, and then you also have the parking guide as well. You can turn that on and off, and that shows a little X right there, and then the parking guide is no longer on it, but you can keep that on or off depending on what your preference is. So we go to the house. You can go through the picture quality. That'll go through brightness, contrast, and hue. We'll just go backwards here, and this is the return. And then you also have for pairing. So we're already paired up, so we'll just go back off that. Get back to our menu. Now, if your picture is, you want it inverted, flipped, or whatever angle you want, you can go to that, and then you can do a mirror image. That will help you if you need to back up and you want it actually what is going on the right orientation of right and left. We'll go back over here, and you can see you can flip it, you can do whatever you want to on that. The system settings, you can do your clock, you can have a automatic auto sleep after a certain amount of time. It'll just automatically go to sleep. You can also play any videos you record, and it does actually come with a 32 meg SD card micro, and that's already installed in the unit, so you can do recording, you can do whatever you want to. So there's just the basic functions of the memory and the setup. Now you can also, if you have two of these cameras, one on the front of the vehicle, one on the back, you can go to a different camera. This is camera number 2. We're going to go ahead and go back to camera number 1, and now we have a split screen. This would be camera number 2, the screen for that, and the screen for number 1. And we'll just slide that back over, and that will come out back to full screen. Now when you're done with the unit itself, you're done backing up, or you just don't need the camera anymore, you just hit the off button. That will turn off the unit, and it will also put this unit into sleep mode. So everything will be asleep. You'll be able to maintain the battery in your camera, and that will actually charge as well during that time that it is in sleep mode and not being used. All right, so here I am in the truck. I've got the camera already mounted, and I'm going to go ahead and show you that. And we'll step out, and you can see that I've already got the ball. You can see that I have the ball in sight on the camera itself, and I can adjust that down a little bit more. So we'll walk out there and look at that. All right, I've got the camera mounted directly to the tailgate. You do want to clean off any dust that you have, but this pad is super nice. That's why I was saying before, it's nice and thick, and it has a lot of cushion to it, so you're not going to have that hard clunk and onto the surface and possibly scratching up your paint. All right, so as far as adjusting the camera, I'm just going to turn the knob on the side here, and that's going to loosen up the mount, and I can give that a little bit of an angle to it, and then tighten that back up. Okay, we'll go ahead and get inside and back up to the trailer. All right, so I've got the trailer. We're actually going to go for this middle one here. I've got the ball in sight. I've also got my parking guide on, and I'm just going to use the camera all by itself. I won't be looking behind me at all. So I'm just going to line everything up and try to get this on a one-shot deal here. Makes it so easy. So you can see them coming up to the hitch itself. And we're just about ready to there we go. I think that should do it. I've got everything aligned, and we'll go take a look. Put my emergency brake on here and see what we got. Okay, it is right on it, and I can just go ahead and lower my trailer down onto the ball itself now. All right, there you have it. That is a one-shot deal. Now, I have also kept these cameras on when I'm pulling our boat trailer. The boat trailer tends to pick up nails and stuff, and I get a lot of flat tires. So when we're doing a boating trip, I keep the camera on the boat all the time and on the wheels and tires to make sure that everything's good back there. So yeah, guys, if you are looking for a great wireless backup camera, I would definitely suggest the VEKOOTO. They sent us this complete unit for free to give it a try out and see how we like it. I give it a total 2 thumbs up. This is a really nice system. So if you're looking for a camera and that's wireless, I would definitely suggest this brand.